Concerned about the current insecurity bedeviling the country and its consequences, developing national security policies and strategies that are capable of identifying security threats is what the Apex Clubhouse is advocating as members and security experts come together to find lasting solutions. Lynn Leneke reports that the event marks the Apex Clubhouse first year anniversary.
Addressing the emerging and evolving security threats facing the nation has become imperative. That is why the Apex Clubhouse Lagos members assembled a group of experts to dissect issues relating to insecurity, ranging from banditry and kidnapping, among others. Chairman, the Apex Clubhouse of Lagos, explained that the club is committed to entrenching policies capable of checkmating the evolving security challenges in the country.
We are working day and night to craft new ideas, new approaches with a view to supporting government in tackling this insecurity for the sake of Nigerians.
Experts took turns to discuss and come up with intentional policy proposals, ideas and framework capable of tackling insecurity.
Human security is therefore a subset alongside other subsets of the variables, such as cultural, economic, political, and psychological ones, that define the wider notion of development.
It's good enough that Mr. President have said clear the forest, but it should be done in a geocombing approach rather. Now when I'm saying geocombing approach simply means that identify each of the 6 zones and let everything go simultaneously.
Members of the Apex House of Lagos and guests had the opportunity to interact with experts. Members and guests were later treated to sumptuous meals, assortments of drinks, and music was in abundance. The Apex Club of Lagos, with the slogan "Service to Humanity," is committed to providing succor to the needy. In Lagos, Lynn Leneke, NTA News.